Hello guys, in this video I would like to show all of you how to stick the wallpaper on the walls in easy ways. Okay, now look at the walls before sticking the wallpapers. It is not difficult how to stick the wallpaper. You need to peel the wallpaper maybe 50 centimeters and then you stick it on the walls. You need to look at the left and the right. You need to make it smooth, or if you see it is smooth, okay, you need to catch or you need to pull the peel covers down, and you need to use or some clothes or to move left and right. Okay, you can see it in the videos. Okay, it is not hard, it is easy, and you can stick by yourselves if you want to decorate your rooms. Okay, wait for after finishings. How is different before and after? Okay, let's see my videos. Wow, it is a bamboo design, right? The bamboo design is really nice because it looks green like the natures. Okay, now wait to see the differences before and after passing the wallpapers. It is easy. Okay, you can see my video, you can do it yourself. That is not hard. It is really easy. Look like the nature's bamboos. Okay, this is the room that I have finished. Okay, pasting or sticking the wallpaper. It is really nice. You can do it yourself. Any comment? You can comment below. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more new videos. Thank you for watching this video. See you next video. Bye bye.